guys, welcome back. Today's video I am going to be filming a quick little hair tutorial. I am going to show you how I curl my extremely long hair. Like, I can't even fit the length of my hair in the frame of this camera, but my hair has grown extremely long. I did film a tutorial like this about 2 years ago, but my hair was much shorter than it is now. I washed my hair this morning. It is completely dry now while I was doing my makeup. I'll show you the length of my hair. So it does go past my boob, but when I curl it, it is probably gonna come up to here or something. But yeah, my hair's really long right now. I am thinking about cutting it after my birthday, which is in June. Cut my hair up to here. I actually want to cut it here, but I don't think I'll suit it. I'm thinking about just cutting it like medium length, dyeing it pitch black, and possibly getting bangs. I don't know if I want to get bangs because I remember how difficult they were last year. I also get a lot of questions about my hair color when I dyed it brown. So a lot of you guys are asking me what's the hair color so you can tell your hairstylist, but my hair is just from a box dye. It's from ETUDE house, and I know ETUDE house is not cruelty free, but I feel like a lot of hair dyes are not cruelty free. If you go to the salon and dye your hair, the products that they're using are not cruelty free. So I'm still figuring it out how I can dye my hair while being cruelty free. I know Arctic Fox is cruelty free, but a lot of their hair colors are like crazy colors, but it is from ETUDE house. I don't know the exact name, but I know it's like the foam dye, and I feel like the foam is much easier to get an even application. I feel like my brown is pretty even, and Harry also has brown in his hair as well because it's always leftover dye. But anyway, let's just jump into the tutorial. I like to use a straightener to give my curls. If you have a curling wand, I think that would actually be easier. I've never actually properly used a curling iron. Like, I used it when I was a young teenager, and obviously that failed because I had no skill. I still don't have any skill, but like, you know, I just haven't gotten around to buying one. I just been using a straightener because if you want to straighten your hair and if you want to curl your hair, you can do it with this. So this is from GHD. It's their GHD Gold. I actually got sent this 2 years ago, and I still use it to this day, and I really like it. I don't think there's any faults with it. It straightens my hair really nicely as well as curling. I don't know too much about hair tools and what other hair tools look like, but for this straightener around it, it's actually quite circular, not like a square. So I would recommend using a straightener that is more rounded rather than it being square. But I'm just gonna turn it on now, and then it's going to beep in like 30 seconds. When it's ready, I'm going to brush my hair first because long hair gets so naughty so quickly. I'm just going behind my ear and just scooping that up and just clipping it. So I just moved back a little bit so you guys can see the full length of my hair. It's honestly unreal how long my hair is. I think this is like the longest I've ever grown it out. And I tell you guys that I do the bare minimum. I literally do the bare minimum because I'm not using any product. You guys might judge me for that, but yeah, I'm just not about hair, okay? Like, curling is the furthest I'll go. I'm gonna take my straightener. I'm gonna go near the root, twist it around like this. I'm gonna twist it outwards around from my face and let it go. I'm not holding it for very long, and you'll get a curl like this. Sometimes I like to twirl it a little bit just to give it more of a bounce, and you can see towards the end, I'm not curling the end. It's like a straight end. And then I'll flip it to the back, and I'll pretty much repeat the same thing. I don't really know if I'm really explaining this well, but I do like to take very thin pieces just because I want my curls to be quite piecey. If you were to take bigger chunks, it's going to look more like waves rather than curls. But you can go in different directions if you want, one like facing out then one facing in. But sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I mostly just do it all in one direction just because the pieces are so thin, and when you twirl it like this, they do stay separate. And curling my entire head doesn't take me that long actually. I would say it takes me like maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I've never timed myself. And honestly guys, sometimes when I curl my hair, I don't even like how it looks. Like, some days are good, some days are bad. It really just depends. I feel like this is a very realistic hair tutorial because I don't know, when I see so many people use so much hair products, I I don't know, I feel like makeup and skincare is so much money to invest in already. Anyway, this is what the first layer is going to look like. You can see it doesn't really bundle up together, they look separated. If you guys do have like some hair products that you guys just swear by, then let me know. And if they're cruelty free as well, I feel like sometimes hair products is a little bit harder than makeup to find if it's cruelty free or not. I mean, in the past I have used like Moroccan oil and like I used to use hair mask and all that stuff, but I find that like I'm gonna be using heat on it. My hair is going to look damaged anyway, whether I use, you know, hair mask or whatever. But if you find something that's cruelty free and that works for you and you feel like I need, then just leave them down below. I'll check it out. Now we are gonna go to my eyebrow and scoop it up. So this will be our second layer. It really depends on how much hair you have and how many layers you want to do, but I think 3 sections is pretty good. I do think it's better for you guys to just like watch what I'm doing than me trying to explain. I remember the first time I curled my hair with a straightener. I watched Style Susie's video from ages ago. I probably was in high school. I bought like a straightener just to curl my hair with it, and I actually used to hate myself with like curly hair, but now I feel like I don't look like me if I don't have my hair curly. It's pretty simple. You just gotta get the like hang of like the movement of it, and then once you do, it's literally so easy. Just taking the last layer off, and that will be the final layer. For the top layers, I do try to like go closer to the root just because you're going to be seeing that. So that's everything curled, but as you can see from here, it looks pretty flat. So I'm gonna go back in and just curl the top part. Just give a bit more texture to the top. But sometimes it doesn't matter because I always put my hair behind my ears. So this is all of my hair curled. It's more of like a loose wave curl, if you want to call it that. But also some of you guys have asked me how I style it. I would say my go-to is like this, where I have my hair tucked behind my left ear and then this side is down. Sometimes I'll just tuck the other ear and have it like this. I don't really like to do anything, but one hairstyle that I really like doing with my hair, straight or curly actually, I have these hair clips from yesstyle. They are these like little teeny tiny flowers, but because I have selective shades and I like being monochromatic, I don't do this all the time unless it like suits the vibe of the makeup and the colors of the makeup. But I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna take a little part of my crown and just go bloop like this, and then on the other side I'll do the same thing, something like this. You could honestly just use like bobby pins and just clip it, but I think these little flowers make your hairstyle look very cute, and I just think the way this frames my face is just very flattering for my big ass head. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial today. I think I covered everything. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any other questions, let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you guys, and also let me know some hair products that you guys think that I need to try. But other than that, that is how I curl my hair, and that was today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video and found it helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!